welcome to my channel. I go by the name Paul Uokwe, a real estate authority based here in Nigeria. I have sold more than 1 billion worth of real estate here in Nigeria. I have helped so many families achieve their dream home and also giving them amazing property. So today we are at NONDON Estate Phase 3 here in Enugu, New Haven Extension. You can also call it MNA, close to Innocent Warehouse. And at my back is the 5-a-side pitch.
So I just want to make this as simple as possible. Opposite me is Oasis Estate. That's the estate that is opposite Nondon Estate. So we'll be taking a walk from Oasis to Nondon Estate. So you see the distance, right? And remember, this is a dual carriage road. So you already know that it's safe and it has high speed limit. So follow me, let's take a walk. Now, you can buy a duplex in Enugu with payment plan up to 1 year. Buying a home with zero or no stress is what you should consider now due to the high cost of living in Nigeria and the high cost of materials. Especially Nigerians in the diaspora need this type of payment plan because they earn monthly and weekly. Nondon Estate Phase 3 is an eco-friendly living environment in New Haven Extension, Enugu, 7 minutes drive to Nkanu Ibiam International Airport, opposite Oasis Estate, close to Innocent Warehouse. So now I want you to take a very good look at the gatehouse and this dual carriage road to see how beautiful this place will be when everything is done, right? It will be so beautiful. So this is the 5-a-side pitch. It's already done. You can see it's a steady walk, so we are expected to finish by in the next 7 months. Everything will be done. So few properties available. This one have been sold, this one have been sold, even this one have been sold. This one is sold. So it's just few duplexes available here. This is where the central water system will be. The benefits of what you get to enjoy when you subscribe to the outstanding Nondon Estate Phase 3. This is actually one of the best developers in Enugu that build standard and luxury duplex for their clients. This project is awesome, and we have another one coming up in Tinker's Corner very soon. But for this one, let me list what you get to enjoy. So you get to enjoy enhanced security via ultra secured CCTV camera system, uninterrupted power supply, reliable water source, well-maintained interlocked roads, 24 hours top tier security, state-of-the-art gym facility, 5-a-side football pitch, luxurious swimming pool, fully equipped modern kitchen, spacious parking areas. Land in this neighborhood is selling for as high as 35 million to 60 million depending on the size of the plot. So in here we have, like I said, we have 1 year payment plan. That's amazing. So you have 12 months to pay up, right? And I told you that this property will be available within the next 7 months. Everything will be done. And let me list out the options you want to think about subscribing to. So we have the 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex going for 90 million, and also we have 4-bedroom fully detached duplex going for 110 million. Remember, price increase is next month. So if you don't buy now, you're going to buy with extra millions. So for the 5-bedroom fully detached duplex, we have the one for 150 million. So if you don't buy it for 150 million this month, you're going to buy it 160 million or more from next month. So why am I saying all these things? I'm giving you this opportunity for you to jump on it. Okay, you don't have to go through the stress of sending money to someone to build house for you, and the person goes away with your money, right? But with this, you get to see the progress of your building. So make that decision and give me a call today.
If this interests you and you want to be a homeowner here in Enugu, you can reach me with the number somewhere on the screen. Let's get you started.